Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Snapchat device ban. If you're experiencing issues like not being able to log into your account or create a new one, and even new accounts get automatically banned, follow these steps to try to fix the problem. First, ensure that you have the latest version of Snapchat. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Snapchat. Sometimes, not having the latest version can cause problems with logging in and using the app correctly. Next, open your phone's settings and scroll down to find the Snapchat app. Ensure that the background app refresh feature is turned on and that all settings match the recommended configurations. This could potentially affect your ban. Another way to solve this issue is to go to Settings, General, and iPhone Storage. Wait for the storage to be calculated. Then find Snapchat in the list and click on it. Tap on Offload App. This will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. After offloading, you will see a Reinstall App button. Tap on it to reinstall Snapchat. This may help resolve the issue. If the issue is still not fixed, the last solution is to open Safari or Google Chrome and search for Snapchat Support. Go to the official Snapchat support website. Navigate to My Account is Compromised. Fill out the form with your username, email, and mobile number. In the description, explain your problem clearly, and then click on Submit to send the report. After submitting the report, Snapchat support will respond within a few hours or days. They will either unban your device or explain why the ban was placed if it was justified. That's how you can try to fix a Snapchat device ban. Thank you for watching.